Hey guys, welcome back to the FabuPRO YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a mini fill for a volume set for the Russian volume. I have already sanitized my hands as well as prepped and primed the natural and the extensions because this guest is on a time limit. We really didn't have a lot of time to film that part, but just wanted to make sure that you guys are always sanitizing your hands as well as washing them and, priming and prepping the lashes. Please excuse my horrible polish color. The color's not that bad, but my nails just look really bad. I just haven't had a lot of time to do my nails because we've been working so much here at the salon, but I promise you, you will not have to deal with this horror for very long. A lot of people have been asking how much we charge for this set, or not for the set, but for the mini fill. Now for the original fill, it's actually $80 for the Russian volume set. Now instead of $80 for the set, we do half of that price, so it's basically about a 25% of the actual full set. So just want to make sure that I put that out there, as well as a lot of people were asking why mini fills are such a big thing. Honestly, it's pretty much breaking down to like the time. Instead of being at the salon for 2 hours, you can come at least once a week or a week and a half and do 30 minutes, and it's just easier for the person to be able to fit that mini fill into their life, into their daily schedule. So that is why we do mini fills a lot here at FabuPRO. It is really popular and it just works, for both us and the guest. I am using the sizes 12, 11, and probably 10s in the inner corner of the eye. I try not to use a lot of 10s on the outer corner because her natural lashes are so long that using a 10 is just very short. So for the most part, I'm using 12s right at the center of that doll eye, as well as 11s on the outer corner, and then I am using an 11 on the inner corner, as well as 10s. I hope that makes sense. So I'm using 11 on the outer corner, then we have 12 in the center, then we have 11 again, and then just a little tiny block of 10s in the very inner corner. Now, a lot of people have also been asking how many strips do I use for each guest. Honestly, it really varies. Sometimes I use 2 to 3 strips, sometimes I could use 6. It really depends. In this particular time for this guest, I actually used about 3 per size because it was only a mini fill, but this guest does have a lot of natural lashes to be filled. So I used 3 strips of the 12 millimeters in the 0.07s C Curl 3D, as well as 4 of the 11 millimeter and 2 strips of the 10 millimeters for each eye. So just wanted to make sure that you put that out there, but it's going to be different for each and every person. Just remember that for a mini fill, even for a regular fill or a volume set, a complete set, you just want to make sure that you are moving from side to side, making sure that nothing is stuck. And if something comes off, it is totally fine for it to come off as long as you are not pulling on that natural lash. Just be very gentle and make sure that there is absolutely nothing stuck. That way the guest is leaving very happy and nothing is uncomfortable for her. I guess that didn't make sense. But you want to make sure that the guest is feeling comfortable at every single moment where she has the extensions put on. Once the natural lashes start growing, and if there's something stuck, as I always say, it's going to be very uncomfortable. So you want to make sure that it is very comfortable for your guest. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I know that a lot of you have a lot of questions, so please do not hesitate to leave them down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Make sure to click that notification button, subscribe, like this video, click the thumbs up button, and again, thank you so much for watching this video, and till next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.